Hey guys, Luis Moreno here, Simply Health Insurance Agency. All right, a lot of us don't deal with disability insurance. Okay, so I had a client email me today. It's like, I'm looking for disability. Can you help me out? And I was like, yeah, let me figure this out. So wasn't that hard to figure out. I've done it in the past, and I'm only aware of one carrier. There may be many, but I'm just going to give you a little bit of information and show you what I did on this disability. All right. So before I do that, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my channel and share my channel. All right. So disability, guys, let's get in here. And I am going to share with you the screen. Let's go over the brochure first. Okay. So I'm using Mutual of Omaha. There may be other carriers. I don't know, but I've got an appointment with Mutual of Omaha, and I'm just going to offer theirs right now. That's what I'm going to talk about. Okay. So let's continue here. All right. So you've got a decision you got to make. Do you want a disability policy to pay out on an accident and sickness, or just accident only, no sickness? All right. Here are your issue ages. It's guaranteed renewable, non-cancelable. You got to pick one or the other. The occupation classes, that's going to be based on what they do. What's the maximum monthly benefit? So you decide there. Elimination period. This is how long you want to go with that disability before payouts begin. So 30 days. So if I'm disabled today, I will get my first disability payment once it's approved 30 days from today, or 60 or 90. You get different options here. And then you've got to decide for how long you want those payments to continue. 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, 10 year, to age 65, to age 67, or to age 70. Okay. Of course, the longer you go, the more expensive it is. The longer your elimination period is, the less expensive it is. Okay. So these are some benefits that you'll have in your plan, and these are some optional riders that you can decide if you want to upsell this. Okay, so we'll get into an actual quote. Okay, let's go right into this thing. So I logged in my Mutual of Omaha. I'll put some information here. So you're going to need their name, their date of birth, their gender. Do they smoke? Do they use tobacco or not? Okay, you'll pick your state of residence. Okay, you'll verify any special restriction employee status. If you click on this one, are they a government employee or student? Okay, I'm neither. Choose none. On the standard quote, you'll choose here. I'm just going to go with standard, see what happens. Okay, you're going to choose their occupation. So for example, if you choose aviation, well, now you're going to choose which specialty within that occupation. Are they a pilot? Are they a flight attendant? Are they an air traffic control specialist? You pick it, and it'll tell you if it's insurable or not. So I'm going to pick myself. I'm going to go to insurance, and then under insurance, I've got my options here. What am I? So I am the owner of the agency. Then what you're going to do is, what is your total income? So I'm just going to start off with 100K. Okay. Are you self-employed? Yes. Do I have existing disability? Yes or no? Okay. Then you're going to go down here and you're going to choose the benefit period. This is how long this person, once the trigger is pulled with a disability, how long will benefits be paid for? So I'm 53. I use that as an example. I can make it go for 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, 10 year, till age 65, to age 67, or age 70. The longer I choose this, the more expensive it's going to be. Let's go with 5 years. Okay. And then the elimination period, this is for how long I'm going to go once that trigger is pulled with a disability, how long before benefits start? When does the first check come in? So 30 days from the trigger, 60, 90, 180. So let's just say I'm going to go 6 months, 180 days. So I've got enough savings to cover 6 months, and then I'm going to need to get my disability check. All right. So you can choose maximum. So there's my max, or I can do something less. So let's just go with max. It will determine that. And then you can add riders. Do I want my benefit to increase by 4% every single year? Okay. Sure, you know what, let's add that, okay? Do I want to supplement this with Social Security? So in other words, if I collect, so I know my max benefit is 51. Now, if Social Security, if I qualify for Social Security disability, then what happens is if I choose this, and they say Social Security gives me $2,000, well, now this one will only give me 3,100. So by adding this, it's going to help out. It's going to lower the premium. If I don't add this, well, then the entire 5,100 comes from the insurance company. So this will lower the premium, because if you're approved for Social Security, it will not pay you the 5,100 plus the 2,000 or whatever you get from Social Security. So you know what? I'm going to add it. Okay, so I'm going to add, let's just say the maximum, assuming that's what I get. Okay, here are some other ones: extended regular, true regular occupation. So this extend regular occupation extends your current occupation coverage for the length of the benefit period. Extends your current occupation for the length of the period and allows you to receive full benefits if you're unable to work in currently working it differently. So on this one, what will I choose? You know what? I'm going to add true, which means maybe I can work, but I can't work in this capacity anymore. Okay. Do I want to add enhanced residual pays a percentage of your if you're partially disabled? No, I'm not going to mess with that. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it like this, and I'm going to go and calculate what my premium is. And this is both accident or sickness. So here we go. It's $100 a month for this. Not bad. Not bad. So by adding this, I've lowered my premium. Now let's go in here and let's edit the quote, and let's get rid of the Social Security. To remove that. Let's see what it does to my premium. It went from 100 to 117. So do I want to save $17 and have to deal with Social Security and get them to approve my disability? With Social Security, it's not your specific occupation, it's any occupation. So if I can't do my job, but I can go do something else, Security probably is not going to pay me out. I think I'll leave it there. Let's go back and let's possibly supplement it. Now, I did add this true regular occupation, which extends my occupation for the length of the period and allows you to receive full benefits if you're unable to work in your occupation and you're working in some other occupation. So I like that. So maybe I can't do my job, but I can do something else. Well, because I can't do my true job, then I'm still going to get this benefit. Okay, residual options. Let's see here. Let's see if I can figure this out. Pays a percentage of your monthly benefit if you're partial. You know what? I'm going to add it. Let's see what it does. Okay. Let's go down here and requote. 140. So it went from 117 to 140. So it did add some premium. So not bad, but at least you have an idea now. Now you've got some options here. I am going to post the link to this brochure down below. You're going to need an appointment with Mutual of Omaha. If you want to offer this plan or this option to people who are asking you for disability, I think Mutual of Omaha is not bad. I don't know of any others. If you guys know of some others, just let me know. Put your comments down below. Let's, if you all are experienced disability income writers and you like, hey, this plan is really good over here, way better than Mutual, let me know in the comments below. I would appreciate that. So, but at least you got a little bit of knowledge. If you have the appointment with Mutual, awesome. If you don't, let me know and we can get you set up. Again, thank you guys. This is Luis Moreno, Simply Health Insurance Agency. And do not forget, like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.